This is where it all started for Rodrigo Duterte. Davao City Hall behind me is where he began his political career as an appointed vice mayor. Today, the entire Davao City is in a state of tension and excitement. Will their mayor become the next president of the Philippines? On the surface, Davao City looks like it does on any other day. Except tomorrow is Elections Day, and Duterte is the front-runner. Ice cream vendor Benjack Excel proudly wears his Duterte ballers.
Malipayon nga, daog na si Digo nga, makakuha niya diyang mga tao ba, hilaw na dito ka ng maayong dagan.
Sa palagay niyo ba mananalo si Duterte?
O, sa palagay ko. Kasi, so, daghan mo gusto ka ng mubuto siya ba, daghan kayo. Digong, padagon po nila sa Digong kaya para makakuhan po sila ka ng tarong nga mga unsa.
Tricycle driver Marlon Elumbra says the city is expecting big developments.
Sa sarili ko, napapansin ko rin dito sa siyudad ng Davao. Excited po kami na manalo na po ang aming mayor na magiging presidente na po sa 2016.
This farm owner having lunch at a restaurant thinks Duterte's victory is close at hand.
We're quite confident that Mayor Duterte is going to make it. And then, well, a bit apprehensive also about the word going around that there's going to be rampant cheating.
Meanwhile, Davaoenos line up to have their t-shirts printed with Duterte designs in time for Election Day.
A-avail ako ng free printing ng t-shirt kasi we are here to support Duterte's candidacy. Overwhelming. Kasi, you know, here in Davao, ang dami niyang accomplishments and hindi na mabilang. So, kung nagawa niya dito sa Davao, I'm sure that magagawa din niya sa whole country.
Benedict Grado, part of the shirt printing team, says this is a culmination of their efforts for the past few months.
Duterte Shirts Project po, yung Duterte Shirts Project, almost 42,000 to 37,000 po. Tapos sa ganitong design po, ito po yung pinaka-best seller po namin. Bale, almost 17,000 pieces na po, and any size po. Tsaka nalibot na din po namin buong Pilipinas para magkalat ng shirt na high quality po.
He and his team already have t-shirt designs in case Duterte wins or loses. Which fate will it be for Rodrigo Duterte? Davao City waits with bated breath. P. Renada, Rappler, Davao City.